Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today we have got a box buster, blockbuster for our Sunday supplement special, and I also wanted to take a minute to address some of the technical issues that have happened with my comments over the last few videos. So for reasons I wasn't aware of, the settings that I had set were causing the comments to be off. I've fixed that now, so the comments going forward should be back on, so I definitely am interested in hearing what you have to say. Please don't think I was ignoring you. Comments are back now, and definitely share your thoughts below. So without anything further, let's cut into a box of Ancient Guardians and see what has in store for us. I like the set, I like the Ogdobis, or Ogdoadic, or whatever it's called, and there's some pretty cool cards in the set. So we start off with an Ursatic Micbillis, an Ogdoadic Light. We've already gone through a fair crack of this, so we'll just go straight to the good stuff. We got a fair few boxes as well, and I don't want to keep you all day. Another Mictanus, sorry, not another, but it does go with the Micbillis. Ursatic Departure. I'll never get that name right, it's Ursatic. Another Micbillis. Ooh, Akulia. Very nice. Not bad for our first ultra rare. An Elegance. Katia. Ho 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 ho! Yes, there we go, in with the Freezey Wheezey treat in the first box. And Aaron, the Ogdoadic King in Collector Rare. Come on. Excuse me while I sleeve this guy. What a night. That gets us out of a slump we've been. For anyone that regularly watches the channel, you'll know haven't really pulled anything too great of late. No Freezey Wheezey traits flowing, so to get a collector's rare in our first box, we are off to a good start. And then our next ultra rare, so we've had two ultras and a collector's rare on this right hand side of the box. We've got another Overlord. This is a blooming good box. An Ogdoadic Water Lily. King of the Feral and a Remnant. Mictanus. An Ogdoadic Dark. Ursatic Slider. An Angelia. A Mick Polar. We might have got everything on the right hand side of the box on this one. A Katia. An Angelia. Elegance, yeah, it's looking like it. But that's alright, because we got the collector's rare Ogdoadic King. Another Remnant. Ooh, an Ursatic Big Dipper. Very nice. It's been a blooming good box. Freezey Wheezey treats are plenty, and we are only one box in. Now we'll pack some of this bulk stuff to the side. And let's crack into box number 2. We've got 4 here total. We made a good start, so if we can continue this momentum, I'll be pretty happy. Right side was good to us last time, let it be good to us again. Angelia. A light. Elegance, a Remnant, a Departure, a Slider, oh, another Coolia. We are doing well on the Coolia front. And then we got a Dark. A Water Lily. It's got a little jumbled there. One Ultra so far out of this box. So we have a Cutia, a Remnant, final pack of the right. We get another Overlord, 2 Ultras from the right hand side of the box, Harmonia, Tennis, Katya, Angelia, Gracia. Haven't seen too many of those. I think that's the first one today. Next up, McBillis. Remnant. Last few packs in our second box. Mick Polar. An Ogdoadic Light. Last 3 packs. A Remnant. Ooh, another Ogdoadic King. To go with our collector's rare. Oh, apologies for knocking the camera there. And an Elegance. And wraps us up for our second box. Bust into a third of these. And cracking into the next one, we have a Gracia, an Ogdoadic Dark. That's fun to say. Ogdoadic Dark, Ogdoadic Water Lily. Not as fun to say as Ogdoadic Dark, Katya, a Remnant, an Angelia, oh nice, I was hoping to put one of these at Sartic Polari, the first level 1 synchro in the game. When that got announced, before we got a card text, everyone was wildly speculating how a level 1 synchro would work, but you make it with the difference between the levels, which I think is a neat little... It's not going to be anything game defining in the sense of something that becomes the top tiers of competitive play, but it's a fun little mechanic. Oh, and an Ogdoadic Queen. 2 kings, a queen, and one of those was a collector's rare. That's pretty good. A McBillis. Slider. Departure. A Remnant. Elegance for Sulphur Chords, a light, Harmonia, Mictinus, Katia, Angelia, another Ogdoadic King. Seeing plenty of those Ogdoadics today. But seeing as one was a collector's rare, you won't get too many complaints from me. Get my thing settled, there we go. Into our final box. We've gone with the right side for 3 previous boxes, so we will go with the left for the last. It shall yield an Angelia. Ooh, another Coolia, very nice. This is a playset. Katia. Harmonia. Slider, Nick Billis, Ogdoadic Dart, a Mictinus, another Remnant, Water Lily, two packs left on the left, another Remnant, and an Elegance. So here we get on the home stretch of our opening, an Ursatic Departure, Mictinus, an Ursatic Serpenter on the first one of these we've pulled. A Harmonia, Ogdoadic Light, Nick Billis, and a T-Sulf called Beautia. A Ursatic there, a Angelia, a Mick Polar. You don't see too many of those. Last couple of packs, I think we are all out of collector's rares and ultras, but we got one, so we can be happy with that. And a Remnant remains for the opening. So that wraps us up for today. Give us a like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Now that the comments are back open again, I would very much like to hear what you're looking forward to out of this set, and what you're hoping to pull as well. Give me your thoughts on what we ripped out today. We did get the very Freezey Wheezey Ogdoadic King Collector's Rare. So I'm extremely happy with that, so let me know your thoughts on that as well. Without anything further, this is IATD TV signing off. Peace out.